Hi, good afternoon. As you can see, I've been quite busy on some other projects. I've been working on planting some plants, some portulaca, some coleus, and some other plants there, including a salvia. I've been trying to get some colors in my garden because they're so green. Well, now on to other things. As you see here, my garlics are finally bloomed. I'm pretty eager to see where they are going and how the plants will flourish, seeing as I'm a new farmer. So these are the garlics here, and these are the onions and the scallion which I transplanted. And in these buckets you can see I provided an update before are my potatoes. Nothing as yet, early days. Well, as you can see, you don't need a lot of space to do any amount of farming. So no excuse, grow something, feed your children organic food, and let's all preserve our country. Bye. Send you an update later.